Right, I think we found our park up spot, and this is special, isn't it?
Look at it.
Look at this, look at the view from the car. Wait there first. Look at that. People have been here before, it's all good. Got a river. The comments on Park, what was it, Park for Night, the app, was saying the traffic stops at around 8 PM. I'm honest, we've travelled so many miles along this road and we've probably only come across like 2 or 3 cars. So yeah, that'll be I'm just saying that as a car going past. Typical. But yeah, it's not very busy at all. But look at these views, guys. What a park up. Right, change of plan. Instead of going up the top up there, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here. The only reason why we didn't think this in the first place, because we thought this was all blocked off, and we thought it was all like boggy, but it's not that bad. So
I mean, the road going up is quite gravelly and dry,
yeah.
So I think in the morning it'd be alright to get out anyway.
Yeah. Just made it to Karlsku Bridge. It's huge. The camera doesn't actually do it justice, but it's just behind us there. And it's surrounded by absolute beauty. Look at that. Only purple here. Purple? Only people here. They do like boat trips in the summer and things like that.
Yeah.
Look, like honestly. There is the castle in the distance, look. Just gonna find a place to park and then we'll get a little bit closer. Right, we just pulled up, found a nice little parking spot. It's about 250, 300 yards up the road from where the castle's over there, just over that hill. So can't speak. Gonna make a slow walk over there. There's some more ruins actually just here. I don't know if you can see it, it's in the background. But today's weather is absolutely stunning.
It's actually warm.
It's warm, yeah. But yeah, we'll make our way over there now. There's a little footpath here. Car park's big enough. Plenty of cars and your motorhomes and whatnot. But yeah, when we get a little bit closer, we'll catch up with you. How peaceful is that?
I know. There's nothing and no one around.
I know.
It's so nice, especially a day like this. It's actually really warm.
As soon as, yeah, once that sun's sort of like on you.
Not very windy at all either.
Probably got another couple of minutes walk, it's not that far. Claire's obsessed with it. You love a castle, don't you?
Castles, lighthouses and windmills. Just stopped off at a little petrol station, spoke to a lovely
couple that owned it. Just asked them
the best way to get to Applecross.
That's it.
Because you can go either up Applecross Pass or down it, but going up it you're not going to see much, whereas if you go down it you can see the whole of the mountains.
So she's written on a little post-it, bless her.
Which is the best way to go.
And yeah, we're making our way there, and we also got I got chicken and bacon sarnie. You got a ham back, haven't you? And yeah, we're 38 miles away, I believe. 36 miles, about an hour and 20. So yeah, we'll let you know when we get there. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the famous, I was going to say Stelvio Pass. What's it called? Applecross Pass.
I think someone else called it that. I think Jeremy called it
it's
that.
like in Top Gear, isn't it? Grand Tour. Look at that. What a place.
Yeah. 584.9 metres high. That's fucking high.
Nearly 2,000 feet. Crazy.
Yeah.
That is slippy. There we have it, guys. That's pretty much the main part of Applecross Pass. Look at that beautiful sun. What do you think?
It was so peaceful to drive. The road's insane.
Absolutely insane, isn't it?
Like, I don't know. I've got no words for this
like
place.
they really don't. Like even drone footage just doesn't give the sheer size of the place, does it?
It's just nice to be able to see it from, because last time when we came here last time we didn't have the drone, so it was nice to actually be able to see things from a different point of view and be able to see further out, like than just where you are.
And it just
makes
gives
a whole
more,
lot of difference.
Yeah, like a different perspective of things, doesn't it?
Really